Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online lessons. One of my neighbours works in the wine trade. He's a buyer for a big chain of restaurants across the UK. And the other day we got chatting in the street about how work's going, how everything is his end. And he let slip a couple of quite interesting trade secrets. The first thing he told me was that wines like Rioja or Cabernet Sauvignon are generally ordered uncritically. People just recognise the names and go, "Oh, I know that wine, I'll have that one please." And these kinds of wines tend to attract a much bigger markup in restaurants. He also told me that the more expensive the bottle of wine is, the lower the markup will be. So maybe a bottle that you buy for £10 wholesale trade prices, where you're buying hundreds of bottles of wine, might be marked up to £60 or £70. A £60 bottle of wine will probably only be marked up to £70 or maybe £80. The markup is the increase in price, the amount by which the seller of the item increases the price of what they're selling in order to provide a profit. So, for example, if you want to go to a football match or a concert and the tickets are sold out, you can usually buy tickets from a ticket tout, often selling them illegally. You can get the tickets, but the markup on the tickets is always insane. The gap between the face price on the tickets and the price that the tout will then sell the tickets on for is huge. You get lots of fast fashion firms who basically outsource the production of their clothing, often to factories in the developing world, where the workers are often paid a pittance. The clothes that they make are then brought back over to the UK, over to the West, where they're sold at a huge markup. And actually, one other thing that my neighbour revealed the other day is that the markup on food in restaurants is usually at least 100%. It's how the restaurants make their profit. It's how they stay afloat. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use markup